Hello and welcome back to the next question. And this question is totally based on profit and loss. Let's read the question and do a step-by-step understanding of each of the line. So Jayant bought a certain number of shirts at the white shirts at the rate of 1,000 per piece and certain number of blue shirts at the rate of 1,125 per piece. So let's suppose the number of white shirts and the number of blue shirts are X and Y respectively. Okay. So the total cost price is how much? Total cost price will be 1,000X plus 1,125Y. All right. For each shirt means you have to find the cost price of one shirt. So cost price of one shirt is 1,000X plus 1,125Y divided by total quantity is X plus Y. This is the cost price of one shirt. He set up mark price. So the mark price is 25% higher than the average cost of all the shirts. So cost price we have already found, and that is our average cost. And the mark price is 25% more. That is 125%. And that implies it is 5/4 of the cost price of one shirt. So this is the cost price of one shirt. He sold all the shirts. He sold all the shirts at a discount of 10%. Means mark price of all the shirts means this complete value multiply by total quantity. Total quantity is X plus Y. So we can say it is just 5/4. I'm taking 125 common. It is 8X plus 9Y. Okay, so we have gone step by step, and then there is a discount of 10%, means the selling price of all shirts is 90%. The mark price becomes 90% of itself. Then it becomes selling price. So selling price is 90% of mark price. 90% is this. This is the mark price value. So I have just written everything systematically. And the profit is calculated over selling price and cost price. So profit is selling price minus cost price. It is given as 51,000 and selling price is this. Let me just solve it is 5 to 9/8 times of 125. This is our selling price and that's our cost price. Okay, I can take 125 common from cost price also. So it is 9/8, 8X plus 9Y minus 8X plus 9Y. Now remember this step. What is this step? Is what does the mean of this step? What is the meaning of this step? I've just simplified this left hand side and I can see 8X plus 9Y is common. 9/8 minus 1 is 8, 1/8. Remember this step. It is a very important step because I will tell you a short, quick approach to get at this stage directly without writing all the things that I have just written. Okay. So remember this step. We'll just solve this step. Let's cross multiply 8X plus 9Y equal to 3264. And now it is given in the question that he has bought both the colors of shirt, means X and Y both are positive. So let's just find the solutions of this equation. So when Y is 0, X is 408. And now how can I find the value of, I will not take this solution because Y is 0. I have to find a positive values for both X and Y. So to find the X value, I will see the coefficient of Y. And to find the Y value, I will see the coefficient of X. I have to increase the Y value. The X coefficient is 8. So it is increased by 8. And X value is decreased by 9. It is a case of special equation. This is the topic. So it increased by 8, it becomes 8, Y becomes 8, and X becomes 399. So what is the value of X plus Y? It is 408. And because there is a increase of 8 and decrease of 9, so there is a decrease of 9, net decrease of 1, net decrease of 1. Y is increased by 8, X is decreased by 9. So there is a net decrease of 1 unit. So it is 407 and 406, it will continue. Like we have to find the maximum shirts that he can buy. So maximum shirts are 407. So that would be our answer. But this is a whole step-by-step process. I will not recommend this thing. Learn something new to save your time. The successive percentage change you can apply here. Successive percentage change of A% and B%. Means if there is a change of 2 percentages back to back, first it is increase and then it is decrease, or both increase or both decrease, whatever it should be back to back. For example, here we have 25% and 10%. So the net successive change is A plus B plus AB divided by 100. You must have heard of this concept in your classes. We'll apply the same here. There is an increase of 25% and decrease of 10%. So plus 25 for that minus 10 because discount is there. Let's just multiply these two numbers. It is 250 divided by 100. Because of minus 10, because of discount, there is a negative value. And when we solve it is 12.5. I'm sensing 2015 minus 2.5. Yeah, 15, it is something like 25 to 12.5%. Correct. So there is a 12.5% net increase because the value is positive. So it is a profit. So profit is how much? 1 by 8. This percentage value is 1 by 8 in fraction. And profit is applied over cost price. So that is our cost price. And this value is given to us as 51,000. That's it. This equation and this equation are same, ditto. So save some time by applying this fundamental in such type of cases when there is a back-to-back percentage change. And I hope this concept is clear to you now. Try to apply this concept in many questions, something like this related to this current topic. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.